How can we elevate human creativity and efficiency to a new level? Introducing the Ortur H20, unmatched in safety and performance. The Ortur H20 features a powerful 40-watt laser module with an autofocus system for quick and precise cutting. Easily cut 20mm wood and 30mm acrylic, boosting your creativity and efficiency. The H20 2-watt laser module seamlessly switches between 10 watts and 20 watts, making it capable of handling virtually any material. Gold, silver, copper, acrylic, aluminum, plastic, rubber, leather, stone, ceramics, cardboard, wood, and stainless steel. It's the fastest in its class, ensuring ultra-fine results with sharp, clear details. And its display screen allows you to check the operating status. Integrated motorized lifting platform in the base assembly allows for flexible adjustment to accommodate objects of varying heights for engraving. The removable box structure features 3 layers, upper, middle, and lower, that can be combined as needed. The 3-in-1 rotating accessory can engrave rings, glasses, spherical objects, and more, offering greater possibilities for creative projects. The built-in HD camera provides an intuitive real-time preview, making batch engraving easy and boosting work efficiency. The Ortur H20 features hidden wiring, plug-in terminals, and multiple safety sensors, ensuring it is both user-friendly and safe. The micro air pump in the laser module keeps the lens clean, extends its lifespan, and removes smoke, offering complete protection for you and your family. Ortur's app, Inspiriest, is easy to use, helping you effortlessly turn your ideas into reality and enjoy the creative process. The Ortur H20, a safer, more powerful laser cutter that makes all your ideas a reality.